So right now we have our technician Nick, who's using our new handheld portable unit for SteraMist. So notice how we're able to encompass all areas by opening up the drawers and the desks. So all items are going to be safe. It's a non-corrosive. Doesn't leave any residue behind, no wetness. Notice how we're doing 5 to 7 second bursts of the machine. Like most businesses, there's a community coffee pot and food. So with this system, it's perfectly safe for all those items. So again, no residue, no chemicals left behind. Again, not going to leave our paper soaked and saturated like a lot of other commercial foggers and stuff like that you find in the industry. This is why we love this system. Again, perfectly safe for all electronics, so we're going to make sure we get that community printer and copier very well. Look at that, 99.9999% sanitized. Again, 100% safe for electronics, non-corrosive, leaves no moisture behind. So we can spray down all of your computers and other items, making sure that they're 100% safe and secure for use. Excellent, easy coverage with this machine. Cleaning and sanitizing areas in a fraction of the time if you're trying to do this by hand. Much more efficiency and effectiveness. Again, highly effective sanitation and disinfection for your office place.